Solar panels have no moving parts, so they rarely break. But a small buildup of dirt, shading from a new tree, or a failing inverter can silently cut your electricity generation without you noticing. From Axiom Eco Homes. A quick ground-level inspection with binoculars costs nothing and can catch problems early. Dirt can cut your energy generation by up to 20%. Panels tilted at 15 degrees or more are self-cleaning in UK rainfall. Annual UK rainfall averages 1,200 millimeters, enough to rinse away light dust naturally. Panels with a tilt below 15 degrees accumulate grime faster. A professional clean costs £50 to £100 using deionized water and a soft brush. Shading from trees can cut panel output by 10 to 25%, even on sunny days. Prune in late autumn after leaf fall to prevent winter shading and moss growth. Your inverter shows real-time generation. A flashing red or green light usually means normal operation, while a solid red light indicates a fault. Check your manual for specific codes. Heavy snow can block generation for days. Use a long-handled roof rake from the ground to gently pull snow off panels. Never walk on panels or use a shovel. Birds nesting under panels can cause damage and reduce airflow. Inspect mesh annually and repair any gaps or tears. Professional installation costs around £100 to £150. Keep a log of your monthly generation to spot trends. A sudden drop of more than 10% compared to the same month last year could indicate a problem. A full check by an MCS-certified installer every 2 years costs £100 to £150. They inspect wiring, inverter, and panel mounts for safety and efficiency. Walking on panels can crack the glass and void the warranty. Use only deionized water and a soft brush for cleaning. Always hire an MCS-certified installer for anything beyond a basic rinse. Follow these simple checks each season to keep your solar system running at peak output for its full 25-year lifespan. Visit Axiom Eco Homes for more tips.